Get up. All right, good morning guys. It is currently Monday and this is gonna be a realistic week in the life for me here in Bangkok, Thailand. Just gonna give you a glimpse to kind of like what my life is like here in Bangkok, Thailand. So it's currently the morning. I usually get ready and then my girlfriend is cooking some food, and while she's doing that, I'm making sure the dog poos and pees outside here in our kind of garden area. All right, Papa, here's your snack. Got about 2 hours of work done, and now we're gonna take a break and we're gonna eat our first meal. Egg noodles and dumpling, yeah. Very hearty. Yeah, it's good. So we got some wonton egg noodles, and then we have this banana bread, right?
Actually, wow. But it's not look good.
So after about 4 years of living here in Thailand, I finally decided to stop eating out so much. You know, especially from coming here from the West, it seems like eating out is so affordable and cheap, and it is. But the thing is, it actually adds up, and buying groceries is significantly cheaper. For example, I like to eat steak and rice and eggs every single day. If I were to eat that outside at Thai restaurants or Western restaurants, it's not that cheap actually. Like steak and eggs is anywhere from like 300 to 1,000 baht, which is pretty pricey. And that adds up, especially if I eat that every single day. So I've been ordering groceries a lot, spending on average around 1,000 baht a week. And yeah, it's just much healthier too, because Thai food and ordering out is it's actually not that healthy, right? Like, so overall I feel so much healthier just cooking and buying groceries. Yeah. So it's currently 4 p.m. and they just finished installing this new outside light. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So I have this light switch right here. Just turn it on and look at that. Man, that looks nice. Whoopa, come inside. Now the other day there was the Bangkok earthquake and we were actually right here. This is the exact moment where it actually occurred, and we were just unbelievably dizzy, like right here at this moment. We were right here and then we saw a bunch of people just running this way, and we're just so confused, like what is going on? And then they were running this way, and then Donal, my girlfriend, she was saying, baby, run, run, run. And then we just ran down this staircase right here. Fortunately, we were only on the 3rd floor, so we didn't really feel it that much, but yeah, it was like pretty crazy. We were right here at this very moment. All right, guys, so let me show you the gym that I work out at. I paid only 4,000, I think 4,000 or 5,000 baht for the entire year at the Fitness Platinum here in Ekkamai. So this is the Fitness Platinum Ekkamai, and actually this is my favorite gym that I've signed up for here in the past 4 years in Bangkok. The reason is because it's very large. It has pretty much every machine you can think of, and it has a sauna, and it's only around 4,000 baht a year, which is insane. All right, so we're gonna do some leg day today. We're gonna work out together. And the best part is that Donna is a fitness trainer, so she'll correct me on my form and everything. I can't even walk right now. Every time I work out after my girlfriend or with my girlfriend, oh, it's so brutal. Let's go for a spin. Come on, let's go. I know a lot of the comments, I know a lot of you guys are gonna say I should wear a helmet. I understand, I do need to buy a helmet ASAP. I've only been riding this motorbike for 4 days, so now we are on the way to Gateway Ekkamai, just to get some smoothies and to do a little furniture shopping. Yeah, there's a vape on the floor right there. One of the biggest news in Bangkok right now, or in Thailand, is that vapes are super illegal now. They've always been illegal, but they're starting to enforce it. And I know a Thai local who was charged 10,000 baht for having this. I don't know if that's normal, but they do start fining you if you have a vape. All right, so here we are at Gateway Ekkamai. This is actually a really nice local mall. It's not too expensive. It's got a lot of local food stands and a market here and grocery store and a bunch of these little shops and restaurants. Gonna get a smoothie here at Boost. So as you can see, today was not like a very crazy eventful day. Just a really chill day. This is like honestly a realistic day in the life. But sometimes it's pretty fun. Sometimes we do some epic adventures. But most days are pretty chill and I wouldn't say boring, but just rather normal. Weekdays are kind of like this. Weekends are a bit more fun. So if you want to move to Thailand and you think your life is going to be so crazy, I would honestly not expect that. I would expect your life to look kind of like what it does back at home. Except you're going to be in a better environment, surrounded by great culture, great people, have a lot of things to do, have a lot of opportunities to meet people. And yeah, there's a lot of benefits of living here, but your day-to-day life is probably going to be more or less normal. Cheers. All right, gonna check out Home Pro.
What do you think?
We might get this.
Yes.
Yeah, I want to get that too. Wow, look at all of this. This is salmon. This is called a yum dish.
It's a salmon dong.
Yeah, so it's got green chilies, garlic. Oh, it's so good. And I just got a salmon right here, salmon dish as well, and that's pretty much it, right? Wow, look at this.
We have seaweed, and I put right here. There's a salmon. Dip the salmon like this. And this is the salt. Put in the rice. So put the green chili.
I will make it for you.
Let's go.
Salmon is so good. The total for all of that was 916 Thai baht. That's actually unbelievable. Really incredible. And 2 beverages too. That's insane. This is our first time here, but if you're ever in Ekkamai, I highly recommend stopping by this place. This place is called Kin at Gateway Ekkamai. Any home nan mai kap?
หอมนานไหม no
ไม่นาน
อั
ใช่
น
ไหม
นี้นานกว่า
นานกว่าน่าจะไม่มีเลยนะ I don't know if you guys just heard that. We heard some like banging and then we thought it might have been an earthquake or something. อันนี้ home nan ที่สุดเหรออันนี้
yeah
Lua Dios Savage. If you're ever at Gateway Ekkamai, you can come to this perfume shop and they have a bunch of, these are actually all authentic, but these are slightly defected because some of the packaging, for example, as you can see, there's some scuffs, so that's why they can't sell it at the official shops, so they get distributed here to these retailers. But yeah, each one goes for 1,800 bahts. Oh, that lady was really nice. When we heard that sound upstairs, we had like some sort of like, where she seemed to have like some sort of PTSD from the earthquake the other day, and then she was saying that she was running and that her leg hurts, and then we saw her leg and it was like so bruised up. I don't know why her leg is all bruised up, but man, I could tell like there was some fear in her eyes when that loud bang just a couple minutes ago. But yeah, that's crazy. But yeah, she was really nice. Like, it's really nice just talking to these Thai locals. I understand maybe about 60 to 70%, and the other 30% I have no idea what they're saying. So I just kind of make logical conclusions. But yeah, it's really nice. It's a good way to practice my Thai as well. good? Sleep good, Papa? Morning, guys. Today is day 2. It's Tuesday. I just gotta do a bunch of scripts today. I gotta do some voiceovers for some videos, for some short form. And I also have to take care of some of my remote work students. So a lot of this work can just be done on my phone. If you see me that I'm only working like 3 hours on the computer a day in these like vlogs and stuff, a lot of it's being done while I'm in a taxi or while I'm at the mall. Like I'm on my phone pretty much 24/7 because this is how I make money, is my phone. So I'll just come out in the living room and just answer messages, answer emails, write scripts, get back to people on Instagram, etc. Yeah, that's like a day in the life of a influencer. So that's pretty much the plan today, just get some work done. Probably chill at home for the most part, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna go to Virgin Active Fitness, I'm gonna meet some of my friends there, get a workout in. And that's really the only plan I have today. I don't socialize on weekdays. Most of the time I'm like homebody, just 90% indoors.
Look at this. Papa, no. Not here.
It's not yours, Popo.
Good. No, Papa, no. It's not yours.
So today is April 1st. We gotta pay the rent. This is our first invoice. So we don't have any water or electricity charges yet, but the total is 52,094 baht for this month's rent. Man, I mean, that's pretty expensive for Thailand standards, but you know, you gotta have that abundance mindset to be in a nice place like this. It is going to pay off mentally. I think the longer you live in Thailand, the more you desire it to be like your home, like psychologically. When you first move to Thailand, you don't mind living in a small place. You don't mind if none of the furniture is yours. And you actually like it because of the convenience. You don't need to buy furniture, you don't need to decorate it, it's all pretty much done for you. But the longer you live here, I feel like the more you tend to prefer it, to design it, to prefer to make the space yours. So that's what we've done with this place. We're not done yet, but yeah, that's what 52,000 baht buys you. It's the ability to furnish it, it's the ability to live in a big space, and to make it truly feel like home. About to eat our first meal, but cook a nice juicy steak. Put the olive oil in. Alright, so it's rested for about 7 minutes now, so let's go ahead and cut through it. It's a little bit more on the rare side. Alright, so we get a nice medium rare. What I'll do is I'll just cook it for like a slight minute on the pan again to make it a little bit more medium, but otherwise I think it's pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is, since I prefer it to be a little bit more cooked, turn on the pan for low heat, cook it for like a minute. As you can tell, I'm not a chef, but whatever works, works. You have to be really careful here not to overcook it. Okay, as you can see, it's already done. Not the best plating, but nice. We got the steak, eggs, and we got the somtam, Thai tea. What is that?
Chili paste.
It's some chili paste.
Delicious.
Thank you. Alright guys, just got a great workout in. I'm gonna do a little shopping, just explore Gentle Monster here and try to get some reading glasses. Or the interior design of this place is just crazy. What do you guys think? These glasses are absolutely crazy. These are actually not too bad. It's like feel like very Tom Ford-esque. What do you guys think? I think these are pretty dope. I like these because they look pretty normal, but they're also kind of have like a cool little fashionable flair to it. I don't know. They look quite chic. All right, guys, we're just gonna head out, see which restaurant slash kind of bar is open. Not really trying to drink, but just somewhere that has nice ambiance. So I'll take you out with us.
Let's go.
Let's go. See, I can't even walk straight because yesterday we worked out too hard. All right, guys, we're here at this place called Tuba. This is actually our first time here. Sadikap. Songbon. Very retro place. Actually, it smells like weed in here. Morning, guys. Today is day 3. So today we're gonna go to a coffee shop and we're actually gonna meet up with Isaiah. He's also a fellow Thailand content creator. Just did a little outfit change, about to head out now. Okay, baby, bye. Bye. See you in 2 hours. All right, guys, this is Come Coffee or Come Cafe. So this is a pretty viral coffee shop that's been all over Bangkok, Thailand, all over social media. And it's actually really nice cafe. They have like some pool right there. And then over here, we actually have a bar area. This place is like, it's like $5 for a coffee. It's very chic crowd. Everybody who comes here is like very well dressed, kind of cosmopolitan. Maybe, you know, middle class to higher class people here. Speaking of which, we got my man Isaiah here. That's good, bro. You want to do a quick shout out to your YouTube or anything?
Sure. What's good, y'all? I'm Isaiah Ashley, on YouTube known as the Isaiah Ashley Show. Kind of similar content to Paul. Do a lot of condo tours, kind of got trapped in that a little bit, but also do tips on Thailand and kind of just like lifestyle content.
All right, guys, just knocked out that interview. Make sure to check it out on Isaiah's channel. And we just talked about like Thailand, like first what it was like moving out here and kind of like my origin story, I guess. But yeah, I'm just gonna head home now, get some work done, and yeah, see you at home. Man, it's so nice to come home to food that has been freshly prepared for me as soon as I come home. That is such a luxury. That is such a privilege. So it's currently about 2 p.m. So right now I'm just gonna, after I eat, I'm just gonna do some work at my room. Probably in the evening time, maybe go out or, no, maybe just stay home. So we're gonna spend the rest of our evening enjoying the rent we pay. Thank you guys for the support. And let me know if you guys like these kind of like casual vloggy style videos. And yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow me on Instagram and I'll see you guys in the next video.